What is your name?
Bisma Fatma.
In which class do you read?
KG1.
Bisma Fatima, pick up the letter M. Put down. Bisma Fatima, pick up the clap action. Put down. Pick up the parts of body lips. Pick up the fruit grapes. Put down. Pick up the cold object. Put down. Pick up the number 8. Put down. What is your name?
Abhishek.
In which class do you read?
KG1.
Abrish Adnan, pick up the capital letter F and small letter F. Make a proper egg. Put down. Pick up the capital letter F and proper egg. Make a proper egg. Pick up the parts of body I. Put down. Pick up the reading action. Put down. Pick up the shape triangle. Put down. Pick up the thick pencil. Pick up the thin pencil. Put down. Pick up the number 8. Put down. Shiza, pick up the sleeping action. Put down. Pick up the shape square. Put down. Pick up the hot object. Put down. Pick up the letter E. Pick up the small E and make proper egg. Good. What is your name?
My name is Bhaskar.
In which class do you read?
KG1.
Pick up the parts of body hand. Put down. Pick up the cold object. Put down. Pick up the number 8. Put down. Thick pencil. Put down. Your name? In which class do you read? Umayma Zara, pick up the letter I. Put down. Put down. Umayma, pick up the reading action. Put down. Pick up the thin pencil. Put down. Pick up the parts of body ear. Pick up the parts of body ear. Put down.